The camera world is buzzing again, and this time all eyes are on Sony. In 2025, the company is preparing to drop what could be its most important mirrorless release in years, the Sony A7V. For creators, this is massive news. The Alpha 7 line has already made history with the A7 III in 2018 and the A7 IV in 2021, and now the A7V is expected to push things to a whole new level. Leaked reports point to a September 2025 release date, pricing around $2,799, and some jaw-dropping specs, including a rumored 42MP full-frame sensor, next-gen Bion's XR2 processor, 8K video recording, and AI-powered autofocus. If these leaks are true, the Sony A7V might just become the ultimate hybrid camera for both photographers and filmmakers. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. So in this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the upcoming Sony A7V, its leaked release date, pricing, specs, and whether it's worth the hype. Let's dive in. The camera world is once again heating up, and all eyes are now fixed on Sony as the company prepares to unleash what could be one of the most important releases of 2025, the Sony A7V. For years, Sony's Alpha series has been the gold standard for hybrid shooters, combining cutting-edge photo capabilities with industry-leading video performance. With the A7 III setting the stage back in 2018, followed by the A7 IV in 2021, the line has earned legendary status among photographers, filmmakers, and content creators. Now, in 2025, the highly anticipated A7V is expected to carry forward this legacy while introducing a wave of new technologies that could once again redefine the mirrorless camera landscape. Leaks have already started circulating across forums, tech blogs, and social media, pointing to a fresh release timeline, possible pricing, and a set of specifications that sound almost too good to be true. If these rumors hold weight, the A7V could become the most balanced and powerful hybrid camera Sony has ever produced. From a rumored next-generation full-frame sensor with enhanced dynamic range, to AI-driven autofocus and professional-grade 8K video recording, the A7V looks like a camera designed not only for today's creators but for the demands of the next decade. Perhaps the most intriguing piece of information that has surfaced recently is the expected release date. According to credible supply chain insiders, Sony is aiming for a September 2025 launch event, perfectly timed ahead of the year's biggest photography expos and the holiday buying season. This makes perfect strategic sense. It mirrors the A7V's release pattern and ensures Sony captures the attention of both professionals looking to upgrade their gear and enthusiasts eager to step into the full-frame world with the latest technology. Alongside the release timeline, pricing leaks suggest that the Sony A7V will likely start at around $2,799 for the body only, positioning it as a premium hybrid option but still accessible compared to Sony's flagship A1 and A9 lines. For those interested in bundles, early rumors indicate that Sony might introduce attractive kits including the 28 to 70mm f/3.5, 5.6 OSS lens or even launch new G-series compact zooms to complement the camera. If true, this pricing strategy would put the A7V right in the sweet spot for creators who need professional performance without spending over $6,000 like on the flagship models. Specs, however, are where the excitement really takes off. The A7 IV already impressed the market with its 33MP